Exploring the great outdoors, the allure of long-distance trekking. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, long-distance trek. This phrase is not just about a journey, but it's also a metaphor for endurance, adventure, and exploring the unknown. Whether you're a language learner or a seasoned traveler, understanding this phrase will add depth to your English vocabulary. Let's dive in. Long-distance trek is a phrase composed of 3 words, each rich in meaning. Long distance refers to a journey that covers a significant amount of space. It's not just a walk around the block, but a journey that spans several miles or kilometers. Trek means a long and often difficult journey, usually on foot. So, when we combine these words, long-distance trek refers to a lengthy and challenging journey, often through natural landscapes like mountains, forests, or deserts. Long-distance trekking is more than just a physical journey. It's a symbol of personal growth, endurance, and discovery. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone, facing challenges, and learning more about yourself and the world around you. In English literature and movies, long-distance treks often symbolize a character's journey to self-discovery or a quest for something greater than themselves. Now that we understand what a long-distance trek is, let's see how to use it in a sentence. Last summer, I went on a long-distance trek through the Himalayas. It was challenging, but the views were breathtaking. She is planning a long-distance trek across the Appalachian Trail to raise awareness for environmental conservation. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe both a physical journey and a personal quest. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, long-distance trek, and its significance in both language and life. Remember, learning a language is itself a long-distance trek, full of challenges, but also full of discoveries and achievements. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy trekking through the world of English!